Hi everyone, I am Shrisha. This is your second lesson in grade 3 social science. Today's chapter is Sun and the Solar System. Before we start our today's topic, shall I recall your new words? Mercury, 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 Mercury. Venus, 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 Venus. Earth, 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 Earth. Mars, 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 Mars. Jupiter, 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 Jupiter. Saturn, 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 Saturn. Uranus, 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 Uranus. Neptune, 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 Neptune. Before we start our today's topic, let us have a small discussion about solar system and sun. Solar system. The solar system consists of a central star, planets, satellites, etc. The sun is the central star of our solar system, and the planets, satellites, or other objects revolve around it. The sun and 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, together with their moons, form a solar system. In the solar system, the planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Some planets have their moons, also known as natural satellites. The moons also revolve around their respective planets in certain orbits. Sun. The sun is a bright star. It spins on its own axis. The center of the sun is extremely hot. It also produces a huge amount of energy through continuous explosions that happen on its surface. The sun is the source of heat and light in the solar system. It is the nearest star to Earth. It appears bigger and brighter than any other star. The sun is so big that lakhs of Earths can fit inside it. Today, we are going to recollect your previous topic. Planets. Planets are large natural objects that orbit or travel around stars. 8 planets orbit the star called the Sun. In order from the closest to the Sun, these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In that, today we are going to take a recap about Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Okay, children. Mercury. Mercury is the planet nearest to the Sun. Therefore, it is the innermost planet of the solar system. Some features of this planet are: it is 1/3 of the size of the Earth. It is the smallest planet. It has rocky surface and many craters. It is brown and grey in color. It does not have any moons. It completes one revolution around the sun in 88 days. Life is not possible on Mercury because days are very hot and nights are very cold on it. Although Mercury is nearest to the Sun, yet there are some regions on its surface which never get heated by the Sun. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is almost as big as our Earth. Therefore, it is also called the sister planet of Earth. Some features of this planet are: its surface is dry and desert-like. It has many huge volcanoes too. It is the brightest natural object that can be seen from the Earth. It does not have any moons. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 225 days. Life is not possible on Venus because it remains very hot all the time. Venus is also known as the morning star as well as the evening star, as it is visible in the sky during sunrise or sunset. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is our home. Some features of our planet are: it is neither too cold nor too hot. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 29% with land. It has one moon. It completes one revolution around the Sun in approximately 365 days. Earth is the only planet that supports life because air and water are present on its surface. Due to the presence of a large amount of water, it is also known as the blue planet. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Refer your concept book in the page number of 23 to 25 and answer the following questions in the note. Shall I tell your first question? Your first question is: the nearest planet to the Sun is dash. The nearest planet to the Sun is dash. Your options are: A. Jupiter, B. Earth, C. Mercury, D. None of these. Your options are: A. Jupiter, B. Earth, C. Mercury, D. None of this. Your second question is: what is the Sun? What is the Sun? Your options are: A. A star, B. A planet, C. A galaxy, D. A comet. Your options are: A. A star, B. A planet, C. A galaxy, D. A comet. Your third question is: dash is the hottest planet of our solar system. Dash is the hottest planet of our solar system. Your options are: A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Jupiter, D. Earth. Your options are: A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Jupiter, D. Earth. Your fourth question is: dash is the third planet from the Sun. Dash is the third planet from the Sun. Your options are: A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Your options are: A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Your fifth question is: which of the following is called blue planet? Which of the following is called blue planet? Your options are A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Your options are A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Now we are going to learn few new words for reading practice which are given below. Shall we? Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. I hope that you are enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.